Science class 6. This is your science lecture unit number 5. In this lecture we will do exercise. Students, this is question number 1. Choose the correct answer from your exercise. Number 1. Which of following is molecule of a compound? Cl2, option B H2, option C CH4, option D O2. The answer is option C CH4. Number 2. A non-metal is a option A is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Option B has a high melting point. Option C can burn into wires. Option D is usually a solid. Answer is option A is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Number 3. Air is an example of a mixture of dash. Option A liquid and solid. Option B liquid and gas. Option C solid and gas. Option D gas and gas. Answer is option B liquid and gas. Number 4. Which of following substances is an element? A coal, B sand, C petrol, D diamond. Answer is diamond. Question number 5. Which of following cannot be used to separate a mixture? मिक्सचर को सेपरेट करने के लिए कौन सी टेक्निक हम नहीं यूज़ करते? ऑप्शन ए क्रोमेटोग्राफी, ऑप्शन बी सब्लिमेशन, ऑप्शन सी डिस्टिलेशन, ऑप्शन डी डिकम्पोजिशन. आंसर इज डिकम्पोजिशन. नंबर 6. पासिंग अ सॉल्यूशन थ्रू फिल्टर पेपर इज कॉल्ड ए इवेपोरेशन, बी डिस्टिलेशन, सी क्रिस्टलाइजेशन, डी फिल्ट्रेशन. आंसर इज डी फिल्ट्रेशन. नंबर 7. कॉइन आर मेड of a mixture of dash metals, non-metals. Option A non-metals, option B gases, option C metals, option D liquid. Answer is C metals. Number 8. An element that can conduct electricity is called A solid, B liquid, C non-metals, D metal. Answer is metal. Question number 2. Fill in the blank. Number 1. The symbol of iron is dash, F capital small e, Fe. Number 2. Carbon is a black solid and oxygen is colorless in color. Question number 3. Plastic is made up of million of carbon and hydrogen atoms. Number 4. Chromatography is used to separate a mixture that are as color substances. Blank number 5. Soluble solid become less soluble at low temperature. Number 6. Completely pure water is called distilled water. Now recall question. Students, there are 6 recall questions. I am providing you notes about these questions and I will discuss these questions with you. Kindly note down this question on your notebook and learn these questions. Student, recall question. Learn these questions and note down on your notebook. Question number 1. Describe the structure of an atom. Atom is made up of tiny particles called electron and nucleus containing proton and neutron. Electron is an active charge particle and revolves around the nucleus. Proton is positive charge particle present inside the nucleus. Neutron is a neutral particle found in the nucleus of an atom. Question number 2. Distinguish between compound and element. Compound are chemically combination of two or more elements. Its constituents lose their own properties, while element is a substance that is made of atom of same kind. Its constituents retain their specific properties. What are differences between metals and non-metals? Metal, they are good conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metal are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Metal are shiny, non-metal are dull. Metal are mostly solid except mercury. Non-metal are found in 3 states of matter. Metals have highly melting and boiling points. Non-metal have low melting and boiling points. Metal can be drawn into wires and beaten into foils and plates. Non-metals cannot be drawn into wires and beaten into plates. Example of metals are silver, gold and tin. Example of non-metals are carbon, oxygen and iodine. Question number 4. What is mixture? A mixture contains 2 or more substances which are not chemically combined. Each substance retains its properties and components can be separated easily. It is not a pure substance. Example, a mixture of salt and sugar. Question number 5. How would you separate a mixture of salt and sand? Mix salt and sand in a water, then filter it. Sand particle left on the filter paper. Now evaporate the mixture of water and salt. Water will be evaporate and convert into vapors, while salt will left in a container. Number 6. Explain method of crystallization with the help of diagram. When solution is heated until most of solvent evaporate, a concentrated mixture is left behind. The solution is then allowed to cool slowly so that crystal of solid are formed. The crystal art can be dry up between the fold of filter paper. Explain the method of crystallization with the help of diagram. When a solution is heated until most of solvent evaporate, a concentrated mixture is left behind. The solution is then allowed to cool slowly so that crystal of solid are formed. These crystals can be dry between the fold of paper. This is the diagram of crystallization present on the book, page number 66. Student, draw this diagram on your student. Now your unit number 5 is completed. First you do exercise number 1 and 2 on your notebook and learn these exercises. Second, do recall question on your notebook and learn these questions. Thanks a lot.